Josie Place, Morwell, Victoria, Australia. This block is completely serviced with access to electrical energy, water, gas, telephone, sewage as well as storm water, only meters away or inside the boundaries. Blocks of land like this are difficult to discover in Josie Place, Morwell. This block of land features rural views of the adjoining region. This is an attractive block of around 706 square meters in a quiet court location. In the northern west corner, there is a very small easement on this vacant land, and boundary fencing along the north side. For sale, a vacant block of land 706 square meter, 11 Josie Place is situated in the Bella Vista Country Estate of Morwell. Ring your local Morwell real estate agent now, before 11 Josie Place is gone.